Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's screencast, we will see how you can disable the dashboard page for the guest users. The guest users in Moodle terminology are the users who are not yet logged into your Moodle site. So let us see how you can disable the dashboard page for the guest users. In order to do that, you need to log into your Moodle site as the site admin and then navigate to the site admin page and go to the appearance page, and then under the appearance you can see this navigation page. Now on this page you will see the setting to allow guest access to the dashboard page, so which is by default set to yes, and you need to uncheck this to disable the dashboard page for the guest users. Now just go down on the page and click on this save changes button. That is it. Now your guest users will not be able to access the dashboard page in your Moodle LMS site. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. Thank you.